Today is a big day to do this. I'm gonna try to do 6 miles today. I already plotted out last night what I need to do to get that 6 miles in. Well, the weather holds out. It's snowing up there in those mountains up there. Well, the tops of that mountain's 11,000 feet, 11,400. We're about 5,200 right here, 5,300, something like that. That's a little ways out there. Almost due east. We're behind the storm. It's just a matter of what happens over here. Yesterday I did about 3 miles. A 3-mile walk. Night before I did the 5 mile. Or no, I did, what was it, 1.5 miles because of the rain, that's right. Rain. But there was one point here this week I did about 5 miles. That was my usual route. This time I'm doing something a little different today. To make it 6 miles. That was weird. I've never seen that before. I just had 2 planes flying side by side, right next to each other, go overhead. That was a little odd. It's a CDC or military, and they're dropping secret chemicals on us to inoculate us from the virus. Of course, if you hear some people, they're responsible for the virus itself. You know, I don't buy that, really. I mean, I wouldn't put it past our government. Conspiracy theory here. Put it past our government to actually release the virus. Yeah, to make our president look bad.
And if there's some collateral damage for some others who do not share our view, well, so be it.
Take on the intelligence community. They have 6 ways from Sunday at getting back at you.
I feel like the bottom has to fall out at some point. And by the way, I'm hoping for it, because I think one way you get rid of Trump is a crashing economy. So please, bring on the recession.
Yeah. But no, frickin' China. Yeah, I blame China. China. You know, people were mucking Trump really on saying all about China, and now we're finding out just how bad it was, how big of a threat they are. You know, they responsible for the release of the virus. 2 months they knew about it. They didn't say a thing, kept it hush-hush. 2 months. You know, before they finally were forced to admit to it, but then even then they still lied about the severity of it. And they didn't even allow us access or allow anybody to provide resources to help them contain it, and they didn't allow us access to a copy of the virus itself. Could have had something by now. So, yeah, I do blame it on China. At least the Chinese government. You know, it was communist, or Chinese Communist Party. Totally, completely. Whether it was because of them eating bats and in that area, or because it was a biolab. There was a biolab in that city, so regardless, either way, in one way or another. Fact is, they lied about it. Got out, they lied about it. And then they didn't even give us access to, you know, to stop it. Whatever. China lied, people died. That's what should be the trend right now. China lied, people died. Okay, seems to be taking me a little while. I'm not even a mile yet. Crap. Just under a mile. So, a lot of people out still. Some stormy weather still. So, man, I hope I don't get caught in this something on the way up. Looks like he's moving. Looks like it's on. I don't know. And there's a lot of cars out. Whew. Whew. All right, pretty soon here I'm gonna be there. I don't think you want to look at this, do you? Probably not. So starting a big hill climb here. It's not that big. It's only a couple hundred feet in elevation gain. So, but keep going at a pace of 2 to 3 miles per hour, like my usual walking pace. That's actually pretty grueling. Steady stream of cars, I'll tell you. For a country that's supposedly on lockdown or some shit. Well, not really lockdown, but, you know, social distancing crap. A lot of people out. I mean, think about it. There was 100, almost 200,000 tests done, you know, and only 15,000 tested positive. That's less than 10% of those who have symptoms actually test positive. So, and they're saying tens of thousands of tests coming in every day. So even the people who have symptoms are testing less than 10% positive. So that's a positive.
Negative times a negative equals a positive.
And here's a climb. Really start climbing. It's a good hill. Probably half a mile of it. Probably more, actually. I just hope they have a sidewalk all the way up. I forget whether they do or not. I don't think they do. I'll find some way to go up it, huh? Yeah, one way or another. Whew. Alright, this golf course here. The only option I have is go through the parking lot. Okay, well, we'll see you on the other side. Right on the other side of the parking lot, that golf course, I'm across the street too. And of course, no park or sidewalk. So I had to walk on this crap. Oh well. Big hill. Big hill. Yeah. Whew. Dear shit. Whew. Woo! This hill is pretty unrelenting. Trying to keep a good steady pace. Probably going up this hill, trying to get like 2 miles per hour, 2.5. Trying. I'm actually gonna cut off, go over to the store, get a bottle of water, maybe something to snack on. I brought a protein bar. That's about it though. I was gonna grab something, but I forgot. Right as I left, I was leaving, I was like, ah, shit. Whew. Bushes.
We love bushes.
Whew. Almost there. Turn off. Getting close. Getting closer, closer, closer. All right, time to cross over the street. That's what that robin was after. Holy shit, that's a duck. That duck? Yeah, that's a duck. Wait, no. No. I thought this thing was the beak. It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. I don't know, the leg I thought was a beak at first. And I'm like, oh, there's the ear. That's a weird duck. The ear's on its ass. No, it's a rabbit. Alright, almost there. Whew. That rock formation up there, that's about 8,500 feet in elevation up there. Some of the mountains behind it, about 11,400, something like that. All right, here we go. Turn off. Level that a little bit. Oh boy, looks like rain over there, huh? Whew. That's due west. Northwest. Got snow up in the high points up there. So we'll probably be getting that here soon. Yeah, we got a good view up here, don't we? Yeah. Almost to the grocery store. It's right over here. So we're almost there. I'm gonna cross the road now. Nobody coming. Really stupid. Toilet paper. Yay, I got toilet paper. Price. Or that. Yeah. Well, there's some cheese here. At least we got this. So this is good. It's positive here. What do we want? Let's see here. I don't care. Cheapest. Right here. Cheapest. 99 cents. Cheap. Alright.
Oh, shit.
As soon as I turn this on, the freaking wind starts howling. Figures. Well, we got this weather rolling. I might actually be able to beat it a little bit. I'm working, heading home. Okay. Low-lying area now, so we'll be out of the wind. Well, nope. Here comes the wind again. At least I'll be mostly out of the wind here. All right. Phew. Wow. That's a rarity. That is a rarity around here. Hopefully this shit won't last longer. Trump's 15 days to stop the spread. We're in day 6. That means 9 more days. Now this state, the governor is passing all these rules saying 30 days. Yeah, I would agree 15 days. Yeah, that's great. That's fine. 15 days works. 30 days, probably too much. Especially in this state, which actually is not being hit that hard. There's been only 100 cases. I think there's only about 100 some cases. So New York, last time I checked, like yesterday, now numbers are higher now, but yesterday New York was over 7,000. It's like 60% of the cases are in New York. How the hell did it happen there? What you guys doing wrong there in New York, huh? But since this state has been a fairly mildly hit state, hopefully they'll lift all those restrictions, after the 15-day period. But I want to get out. I have not gotten out. I got out once in January, and I just couldn't get the good lighting. Just could not get good lights. I was not happy with the images. It just, I timed everything for a little something rolling through, Nothing. It's just blah light. So it hasn't been anything for me other than getting the my photo adventures together, That's about it. That's all I've been doing. New website. I actually moved my website host. I moved it over. The other one wasn't doing me much good. So I've been on a search for a good website host for a long time now, many years. Well, I've had a website for 12 years. I think 12 years. One was okay for several years, but then it just started they made changes I didn't like. Oh boy, here comes the wind again. But yeah, I've been working on building that website up too and trying to transfer everything over. My domains was a little bit of an issue, trying to get the domain going and transferred properly. That was a pain in the hoo-hoo. But it's all transferred over. So I'm still building a little bit here, bit there. I'm the only one doing it, so that takes time, being one person. You can see that up there. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm going. Oh, all right. Back home in my garage. Hopefully when all this crap is done and over within 2 weeks or a week, 9 days, I guess, that we have, and I can get out, get some new photos. I've been really dying to get out. I've been cabin fever here, so maybe, I hope. Don't forget, I got all my spots still available for my photo ventures. I'm only allowed 4, so not many people are going to be able to sign up. I'm trying to keep it minimal, I'm trying to keep it down to have more of the, concentrate on more one-on-one style instructions. It's a lot easier too, especially in the wilderness, in the mountains, going on these 4-wheel drive roads. And it's better to have only a few people instead of, 20, 10, 15, 20 people. And they're not very easily accessible locations. But that's why I created it, though. I created it because I wanted people to experience, at least a handful of people to experience what most tourists don't. It's great, places that most tourists don't ever get to go to. And that's the main reason for it, And you can learn how to shoot landscapes better and get to experience the landscapes a little bit and learn how to photograph those lesser known areas and some of the more popular areas too, Mullis Pass, so on. But all right, I'm gonna head inside. It's getting cold out there. I'm about ready to have dinner here probably. So I didn't do the 6 miles, I only did 4.1 to be exact. So all right, see you inside.